Yep. So Nick said, I'll follow behind you. And I said, okay. And then Nick was like, okay. And then I went to go turn his GoPro on. He was like, well, I don't need 1,000 laps of me just doing laps. And I was like, well, if you follow behind me and start recording, that'll incentivize me to get out on the track sooner instead of dilly-dallying, which I tend to do rather frequently. Come on. It's like it was meant to be, as this was meant to be when I was meant to go kick that. That's so weird. Everything's lining up like I meant to happen. Hopefully that doesn't fall off, or fall out, I mean. Dan, I'm gonna mount you up. Oh, how's there snow in my goggles? like if you're doing stuff. He was like, okay. And I was like, so if you go around a corner, cool, or anything like that, I can just clip it and then use it for like your highlights. You know what I mean? Get people like sort of interested in what's going on in the video before the video actually starts. Yeah, that's a good partner communication right there. I didn't even see him come in, and he just avoided me completely. Ow, those whippersnappers hurt. If I start the trail here, they'll continue the trail here. Oh, but you ruined that berm. Get that out of the way. We're just gonna go this way. I was trying to see what path the bikes took and how I could least affect this berm. Whee! And that seemed to be the best way. That's some more of that B-roll footage I was talking about. I don't need to do any seconds for this. That was so cool. Alright, I can get Dan to start riding my way. Oh, I was in second. No! This is crazy. My back tire was completely flat before. Now the bike's running completely different. actually feels like it has a clutch. So now I understand why everyone was saying, what's up? Oops. Need to change out Dan's battery. So here now, I'm gonna ask Dan to follow me now.